Welcome to Homestead in Schertz, Texas, where small-town charm meets modern convenience. Just 15 minutes from both San Antonio and New Braunfels, Homestead gives you that perfect blend of urban access and peaceful countryside living. Military folks love this spot. You're only a quick 15-minute drive to Randolph Air Force Base and other major military hubs. Homestead's packed with resort-style amenities. Think sparkling pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, open-air pavilion with grills and a great lawn, a cozy outdoor fireplace, and nearly 5 miles of hike and bike trails that connect you with the outdoors. And let's not forget the Schertz, Cibolo, Universal City ISD, one of the area's most sought-after school districts. So if you're looking for new homes near San Antonio that balance community, convenience, and comfort, Homestead is ready to welcome you home. Today, we're visiting Highland Homes. Your next chapter starts here, where affordable luxury meets everyday comfort. From the low 400s, Highland Homes offers 14 floor plans in Homestead designed to fit your life, from 1,590 up to nearly 2,700 square feet. This model home, it's a showstopper, with a movie room, a 2-story ceiling in the first-floor living area, and a primary suite that's pure serenity. Highland Homes is all about enhancing your lifestyle with quality, beauty, and purpose. Take the tour, fall in love, and make it home.
Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.